Hi, I'm Caitlin DeWong, and I am a second-year food science major, and I play trumpet in the Mustang Band, Wind Orchestra, and I'm a part of KKSI, which is the band fraternity on campus.
And hi, my name's Anil Singh. I'm a fourth-year mechanical engineering student at Cal Poly, and I play trumpet in Mustang Band. Okay, so joining band at Cal Poly has exposed me to a really broad community. I feel like I'm still making friends, even outside of band, and having new experiences just from the exposure to different personalities and different interests.
Coming into Cal Poly as a freshman, there are a lot of unknowns, but I knew I could rely on band as being something constant in my life. And in addition to that, Cal Poly and the band program in general has given me a place where I feel safe to be 100% myself all the time.
Yeah, and even as a fourth year, I find that I'm still learning stuff, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity to be able to teach new freshmen coming in and pass on some of the really fun traditions that we've developed as a band.
Some of the most memorable moments I've had at Cal Poly so far came from band camp / week of welcome. I remember walking into my first indoor rehearsal being super nervous and I didn't want to talk to anyone, but the returners around me made a point to say hi and get to know me and every other one of the freshmen individually. And by the end of that rehearsal, we were laughing and joking like we've known each other for years, which was really welcoming to see.
Yeah, for me, my favorite memory in Mustang Band is Big Fall Welcome, and that's where all the first year students are formally welcomed to Cal Poly, where we all gather in Spanos Stadium. And I think the best part about that for me is it's the first time that all the first year band students get to see Mustang Band and see the energy that Mustang Band brings to Cal Poly as an athletics support program. And it's really fun to be able to surprise them when they're really not expecting it. It's a good time.
My goals for the rest of my time at Cal Poly is making as many connections as I possibly can, as well as working to make sure that future years behind me have as great as an experience I had my first year, being a part of Mustang Band and the campus in general.
Yeah, and for me, I'm just trying to pack as many experiences as I can into my final year and hopefully make it a memorable one. All right, this has been Caitlin and Anil signing off.